Tokit asked if I want to do a review on one of its products. Let's take a look inside the box. When I got this, I was very excited. I forgot for induction cooking, you can't just use any pots and pans that you have in your kitchen. It does require an iron base to be able to cook using the induction hob. The reason is that the induction cooking, it uses electromagnetic field, and the electromagnetic field doesn't heat up the panel, but it heats up directly on the pot and the pans. So this is very good because it means it's more energy efficient. If it sticks to the base, it means that this is iron based. See this? It doesn't work. So this frying pan that I have, it will not work. It will work on electric and gas cooking. This is an iron base. How I know that? See that? My magnets stick to the bottom and it doesn't fall, and it works, which means that it should work for induction cooking. So let me get started, and I'm going to show you for the first time. I'm going to use this, and hopefully it works for me with this new frying pan. And I'm going to make a very quick, easy and simple Char Koay Teow. To start, just press this knob here. So that is the temperature, and then I'm gonna move the knob. This is one. You can hear a little bit of noise. It's the fan noise. So that is low. That's two. Okay, still very low. I'm gonna turn up the heat. Can you see that it's starting to bubble? And so I'm going to put it to 30. I'm going to toss in the prawns. I'm going to lower the heat. I'm going to toss in the Chinese sausage. Bean sprout. Okay. My Koay Teow. Light soy. The dark soy, chilli, I'm going to turn up the heat. Now 1 egg. Chinese chives. That's it. Then I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it back. what I like most. Now, this is obviously still an early stage because I have just unboxed this product and I have just used this for the first time. I really love how this knob works to adjust and to control the temperature. This actually looks pretty good, which I'm really surprised. It does have a lot of heat when I stir fry, as you can see in the video. Wow, it is good. If you enjoy this video, you enjoy this very simple Char Koay Teow, and if you want to buy this product, I have a link below. Remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. My name is Victor Koo. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.